This how to 1 minute will show you how to create a Yelp business page. Follow this step-by-step guide to create your brand new Yelp business page. Open yelp.com and sign into your Yelp account. Now click on Yelp for Business and click on Add a Business. Creating Yelp business is totally free. Enter here your business name, click on Add to Yelp for free, and here you'll get your business profile preview. Now enter here your business email address and click on Continue. And now click on this drop down and select your country and enter here your business phone number and click on Continue. And now if you have a business website, then you have to write here your business website link or URL and click on Continue. If you don't have any business website, then click on I don't have a website. And here you have to write your business categories. That's how you'll be able to add multiple categories here. And then click on Continue. And now in this field you have to write your business address, and the street address option field is optional. Enter here your apartment, suite, other optional. Enter here your city, enter your provenance, and enter here your postal code and select your country here. If your business has multiple locations, then click on Continue. And now it's time to create your business account. So enter here your first and last name, enter your email address, and write a strong password for your Yelp business account and click on Continue. And now you have to verify your mobile number. You can select receive a text message, you can select text verification method, or you can select answer a call verification method. So I'm gonna selecting this option and now click on Send. After verifying your mobile number, your Yelp business account will be created. This is how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe How to 1 Minute. See you in the next video.